I dey salute to how una dey. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. May God bless us o. May God help us look after our children o. Na better go dey follow our children o. As we old, na our children go dey position wey dem go fit take care of us o. We no go suffer for nothing for our children o. In Jesus name I pray o. Last week I been talk about dis face mask matter. I come see say no be only me o. Plenty of una come dey send me message say una sef get the same problem. My only suggestion be say make we dey use sense dey wear dis face mask o. Make we no come say because we wan solve one problem come cause another wahala for our head again. So as for me now, I no dey just wear face mask anyhow o. If I dey where people dey plenty, I go wear am. But if I dey waka where people no dey, I no dey wear am o. I go just dey enjoy fresh air dey go. I no know whether una dey follow me see dis message wey dem dey share about almajiri wey dem load for truck dey send up and down everywhere. Abi na old video abi na new one? Because dis matter, I no sabi how when dem no let people dey comot, how almajiri people dey take waka about like that, wey dem go fit gather dem plenty put for motor dey send dem up and down. How una think say dis kind thing dey happen? How? Me, I no understand dis thing o. Na say police wey dey for road no dey see dem? Na say dem no get people wey dey patrol to check how people dey move? The thing just wonder me somehow. Abeg, the people wey fit solve dis matter, e go good make una help us o. Make una help us check dis thing, so that at least make dem find way wey dem fit take care of dis children, or find their mama where their mama and papa dey, return dem to their people. Instead make dem just carry dem full motor dey send dem up and down everywhere for the country like that. Dat one no good at all. E no good at all. E no good for the children. E no good for the people. E no good anyhow. Anyhow wey we think am sef, the thing no good at all. Abeg, make una try do something. I come see say dis hygiene matter wey dem dey say make we dey wash hand, make we dey keep ourselves clean. When we go here, wash hand. When we do one thing, we wash hand. Na im I just dey read for news say Lagos get problem with water. But that Lagos something no be news now. From time, many people, no be borehole we dey use. Many houses na borehole dem dey use now. And some area, maybe na all these people wey dey carry water for container dey share for them, or all these motor wey dey bring water come share. Even the taps wey dem get, the thing no dey work now. I no think say e get plenty places wey get public water supply anymore. I no think so sha. So I no know as dis water to wash hand up and down dem go do, especially as some people dey talk say dis hand sanitizer dey catch fire again. Abi una no hear that one? I hear say if you rub hand sanitizer, you come go near fire, your hand fit catch fire. Me sha, I never experience am o. No be say e don happen to me o. But all these people wey dem sabi everything, na so dem dey tell us say if you carry rub hand sanitizer, the thing fit catch fire. So the next best thing wey we go take do na to wash hand. Now wow, every time when we think say we dey solve one problem, another problem dey start. Okay, we wan help ourselves, we no wan catch sickness. Okay, we dey increase our hygiene level. To increase hygiene level now, we need water. Now water na problem, water no dey again. Na God we go just dey pray to help us everything, because e dey reach point wey we dey look say ourselves, we human beings, we dey fail ourselves too much, too much. As we dey try solve that problem, another tori wey I hear be say people wey dey, whether na house of rep, dem dey rush one bill wey dem wan make am to law again, say we must by force take vaccine wey dem never even do. I no know how dem dey wan rush something like that when other things dey for ground wey dem never solve. Other matter don dey ground since before wey we dey look make dem pass law, dem no gree pass law, dem dey dodge the thing. Now again we hear say dem pass one this thing, dem dey rush am, dem don do first reading, second reading. And this kind time sef wey dem dey rush something, na time wey people no fit comot, so people no even fit go contribute their own wetin I wan call am sef. You know say when dem wan pass bill, dem go call people say if una get anything wey una wan add for this bill wey we wan pass, for this law wey we wan make una come talk una own, make we go see how we fit join am, or the thing no go balance for the this thing wey go. Nothing like that. Dem just dey read the thing dey pass, dey read the thing dey pass. Sometimes sef our matter can tire person, true. Our matter can tire person, because for me now, the important thing be say the people wey dey complain say the stay at home no allow dem see food chop, no be that one we go first find how we go look solution. People come dey die plenty for whether na Kano abi, people dey die plenty. At least make dem go check say wetin dey cause that kind matter wey dey cause people just dey die up and down for one state alone. Those kind thing no be im wey make dem put their energy, make dem focus say if something dey for that place, make dem check am quick, make the thing no come spread dey kill people up and down again, apart from this COVID-19 wey dey ground. Whether another thing dey ground again wey dey kill people plenty like that. Make our people, make we dey, sometimes e be like say make we try to dey think something before we do am. Abeg, make we try to dey think, make we sit down, make we think. All of us, whether we be big people, we be small people, all of us get family. I no think say any Naija person dey wey be big man wey no get somebody wey be small man as in relation or in friend. Make una dey think of other people apart from una sef. Na if better no follow other people, e go hard for people wey think say dem get everything. Na for my mind, na the thing wey me I dey think like that. I no know how una see the matter, but me I dey feel say if we dey for community like this, and every time na only you dey shine, everybody wey dey around you dem dey struggle even to chop, you no see say na problem you dey cause for yourself. E no better make you just lay low, or at least the little wey you get, make you see how you wan take help people, instead make we dey feel say na only we dey and we can do anything wey we like, and nobody. One day dem say monkey go market, e no go come back. Make we just dey think when we dey do something. I take God beg una, make we dey think. This life wey we dey so is not for one person. That's why God create plenty people. If na one person fit live by themselves, we no go need friend, we no go need relation, we no go do. But God don know say if he no do am like that, some people when dem see road, other people no go fit live again. That's why God make am say everybody needs somebody. Everybody, no matter how you big reach, no matter how you small reach, there nobody dey wey no need person. So when we dey do something, make we dey think of tomorrow, make we dey think of our children, make we dey think of our friends, make we dey think am well before we do. Abeg una, na beg I dey beg una. For here when I dey so, I no fit go anywhere. So I just dey because you know wetin, the weather don change again, cold don dey start again, so I no fit do anything. So I just dey, I dey for house, I dey for house o. So I say make I just salute una, make I talk wetin dey my mind concerning the matter wey dey ground so. So till I see una again o, make I do like Yoruba people dey talk, na go I go o, I no leave una. Dem go say me fi yín sílẹ̀ o, I no leave una o, I just dey go. Make una dey well. Bye bye.